tool to help you be successful during this time of virtual learning. In order to do that, it's important to set up notifications so you know deadlines, due dates, as well as when teachers post announcements and other things like that. To set up your notifications, you want to go on the left of the global navigation to Account. When you click on Account, you can go into the Settings menu. On the right side, you have the opportunity to add alternate email addresses, such as a personal Gmail, Yahoo account, or whatever. You would simply enter your account here and register the email. Then, in your personal account, you'll receive an email from Canvas asking you basically to allow permission or authenticate, do you want to receive emails from Canvas to this account? And you would go ahead and allow access. You also have the opportunity for other ways of communication, such as entering a cell phone number here if you prefer to get text messages. After you set up those ways of communication, you can go ahead to the Notifications menu. While in the Notifications menu, you have the opportunity to adjust all of these time periods of how you receive information. If you want to get something notified to you right away, such as grading, you can go ahead and check the check mark. If you'd like just a daily summary, so all of your teachers' announcements, grades, assignments, things like that, you can just do a daily summary. They also have a weekly summary. I would caution against doing the do not send me anything, as you do want to stay on top of all of the important information being pushed out from your teachers. So at your leisure, you can go through and change all of these, and whatever setting you choose will go to the email addresses that you've signed up. If you have put a personal email and a cell phone, you will also have a column for the personal email as well as your cell phone here, and you can set them up differently if you choose.